Hello, welcome to our channel. Today's video is in fact the first part. We are going to upload the second part of the end of this week with an interesting design theme, namely best small living room design ideas, trend and inspiration. Having a small living room is a common occurrence in our days, but not necessarily a disadvantage. So if you want to create a small but comfortable and elegant living room decor, you need to know that with the right approach and a lot of inspiration, you can turn your own small living room into a beautiful space. Regardless the limited area, you can organize your small living room into a relaxation area, entertainment space, or into a multifunctional room such as living and dining combo, or living and a small home office with the versatile design ideas from our video. Furnishing and decorating a small living space, in our case a small living room, can seem a really challenge, but the truth is that a small living space is easier to furnish and decorate than a larger living room, not to mention more inexpensive. You can easily do it with a limited budget. Of course, you should avoid overloading your small living room with unnecessary furniture pieces or too many decorating accessories. And speaking about decorations, here in our video you will discover that large modern paintings will completely change the look of the decor, transforming a small living room into a modern and elegant living space that also expresses your personality. Let's see several ideas from our video. Just look at this gorgeous living room from this image, so beautifully furnished and decorated in gray and beige color palette with black, brown and pink color accents. All the furniture is placed around a square wooden coffee table. Here you can see a small attic living room in white, gray and royal blue color combination. Simple, functional and practical design. What do you think about this tiny living room design with the opening to a beautiful patio in the backyard, stylish and comfortable furniture and adorable decorative accessories? Here you can see a similar design idea, this time with a modern cottage style look. The small fireplace and the floral wallpapered wall bring charm to the whole decor. Here you can see one of the best design ideas, compact corner living room with floor to ceiling window that allowed you to enjoy a fabulous view, opulently and tastefully furnished and decorated. Beautiful small living room design, furnished and decorated with a budget. Once again, the large modern paintings change the look of the overall decor. see a small living with an exquisite look, charming bay window flanked by heavy green curtains that match the green of the lampshades and of some decorative pillows, comfortable furniture, and well-chosen decorative accessories. Small apartment with a rectangular living room, contemporary design with beautiful decorative accessories. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video, and do not forget, soon we are going to upload the second part. Until then, thank you so much for watching and your time. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Bye bye.